Hello, everyone. Are you wondering how to crate train a dog? Let's explore. Crate training can be an effective way to provide your dog with a safe, comfortable space and help with housebreaking. To start, choose a crate that is large enough for your dog to stand up, turn around, and lie down comfortably. Make the crate inviting by placing a soft blanket or bed inside, along with a toy or chew item. Begin by encouraging your dog to explore the crate voluntarily. You can toss treats or toys inside to create a positive association. Leave the door open at first and let your dog come and go as they please. Once your dog is comfortable, start feeding them meals in the crate to further reinforce that it is a safe and pleasant space. When your dog seems relaxed, close the crate door for short periods while you are nearby. Gradually increase the time they spend in the crate, always rewarding calm behavior. Crate training should be done in small steps, and it is important never to use the crate as a form of punishment. Over time, your dog will see the crate as their den and feel secure when inside. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.